Hey everyone, this is Alonzo. I'm here with Excel Roofing. Today we're going to be going over what goes into a gutter install. He's cutting out the pieces for the jigsaw. Those jigsaw pieces mash together in the corners, and that's how we get that seamless look. Running out the gutters, they use a machine that's called a K-style utility machine. That K-style machine pushes out 5 and 6 inch. Right here they're pushing out 6 inch. So right over here, we take it over to the painting station. We lay out the tarps, make sure everything's nice and clear. We don't want to leave paint stains anywhere. Once we get painting, we always make sure to add 2 layers. That way, we miss any spots, any smudges, anything like that. We make sure to get it covered. That way, it's all uniformly pretty. Cool, so once we let it dry, we install it. To get it up and install, you go on either side of the wall. First you get it under the drip edge, lift that flap up, slip it in there, get the first 2 hangers on. Cool, secure to the house, nice and strong logs. We use 1 1/4 long screws, that way it's more than sure to hang on there for the lifetime of the gutter system. Thanks for watching. Thank you for choosing Excel.